How to use Grab when traveling to a different country. First of all, make sure Grab is available in the country you are visiting by checking the official website or Play Store listing. Grab is popular in Southeast Asia, especially in countries like Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, and the Philippines. Next, download the Grab app before your trip and set it up using your phone number or email. If you already have the app, just ensure it's updated to the latest version. Grab usually detects your location automatically once you are connected to the internet in the new country. After that, enable location access and allow necessary permissions for the app to function correctly. You don't need a local SIM card, but having mobile data or access to Wi-Fi is essential to book rides and receive updates. Now, to book a ride, just open the app, enter your pickup and destination point, and select the type of service you want. Grab offers several options like Grab Car, Grab Taxi, and even Grab Bike depending on the country. Prices are usually fixed and you can see them upfront before confirming the booking. You can also change the payment method to suit your needs. If you don't want to use a credit or debit card, most countries let you pay with cash. However, for added convenience and faster processing, adding an international card or using GrabPay can be helpful. Lastly, keep an eye on promotions and discounts in the app. Many countries offer special deals for tourists or first-time users, which can save you some extra money during your trip. And that's it. Now you know how to use Grab when traveling to a different country. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.